Welcome back. We got Random Champ and we got our boy Random Guy. We are gonna go mining in the new not new. We're gonna go mining in this mines over there. So let's go.
Let's go! Let's go, chat. So we're gonna put in my password.
Okay, sure. Grenade for you. Wait, that's what you're spending your money on?
Yeah.
I'm buying a new backpack before I get the other stuff.
Sell that paper.
What is that?
It's paper from the office. I'm gonna sell it.
Wait. Oh, okay, we're good. Does it cost money?
I don't know. We're about to find out.
Alright, guys, we're in Dunder Mifflin right now. Get it? The office.
What?
You know Dunder Mifflin?
Is that the guy from the office?
No, Dunder Mifflin is the office company. You know Dwight and stuff, like our Lego set. The Office. You know the TV show The Office?
Yeah.
That company is called Dunder Mifflin.
Okay. What's up with that?
Cause it's paper company. It's a paper, and Dunder Mifflin, they're a paper company.
Dr. Mifflin is the company in the game or in the office?
No, Dunder Mifflin is the Office's company in the TV show.
Oh. Thanks.
And it's a paper company, and that's paper. It's wait, I went the wrong way.
It's this way. I get it.
It's this way.
You're very confuzzling me.
Dude, I memorized this place. It's this way, I think. And then this way. Yep, I knew it.
You're so good.
I know, I'm just a Sigma. Sigma.
Here, let me get. You can get that gem. I'll get that gem down there.
I'm gonna get this gold.
Oh no! Oh! There's a spider down here.
You know what we forgot to buy?
What?
What's it called? MREs.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
We can probably get some. Alright, which one are we going to?
I don't know.
Okay, Professor Buttcheeks is in this one if you want to go to this one. He was just right there.
I see him. Bacon boy. Sorry.
Ow. Wait, I'm gonna check if it's PFP. Come back?
It is.
Come back? Oh, come on. Oh, two of them.
3 of them.
Oh wait, remember we were here a while ago?
What?
We were here a while ago.
Wait, we're here one? Alright, let's go. Let's mine some stuff, guys. Oh, you good?
Oh. Yo, I'm one.
There's Bacon Boy.
Who's Bacon?
This guy. Because he looks like
Who
Bacon.
named Bacon?
I think Toasty did.
Who did?
Toasty. Oh, let's go. Alright, let's go, chat.
Oh. Thanks.
Yeah?
Look.
What? Oh, snap.
We're armed and dangerous.
Yo, those spiders are cooked, bro.
Should we use it? Or should we use it for a video?
I think we could save it for like a video or something.
Yeah.
Or like a future solution.
Yeah.
Or expedition.
Oh no.
Oh no. Ah! I'm stuck! Why is my arm stuck?
What is it?
My arm was stuck and this guy was trying to run at me, bro.
Which one is it?
The butt cheek. My arm was like stuck.
Ooh, I love explosives.
Oh yeah. Gosh, we don't know what happened
Follow
with
me.
Timmy. I think so.
Bro, I'm not the little team. Actually, Bacon boy.
Oh.
Bro, I'm low.
Butt cheeks. Whoa! Yo! Okay. That guy had him.
Oh, I got a saddle.
Nice.
What do you do?
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, yeah. Why are you over here?
Follow me.
Here. Oh, nice purple gem.
I'm like half HP.
Yeah, me too.
Turn off your light.
Why is this a danger?
Yep.
Okay.
You know who's in this?
English, probably?
Yeah.
Probably why. Yeah, let me get to those three behind you.
Oh, you're killing me. Yo, I need some purple to pick this up. Low key though.
Hold on.
Sorry.
I heard something. Are you sure the English in here? This is the first
I
floor.
actually don't know. Yeah, look. Remember this?
What?
If you come where I am, you'll remember the angler being here.
Oh, wait, maybe. Kind of? No.
Oh, everything's turned pink. Why is that?
Wait, did you eat a Valentine's Day?
No.
Oh.
They ate it.
Oh, yeah, whenever...
Oh, spider, that's why.
No, it's because,
Spider! I jumped down and I jumped into a spider. I didn't even see him.
Did you kill him?
Almost. Bro, how much HP does this boy have? MF, brother.
No, I don't think there's...
Yo, help me.
The angler isn't in here, I don't think. He wouldn't be able to fit in this area.
Okay, but I need your help.
I'm coming.
This guy is not dying.
Bro, there's nothing there.
Yes, there is.
Bro, you're schizophrenic, bro. There's nothing here.
Look.
That's a spider web.
No, there's a spider here.
There's no spider.
Yes, there
You're
is.
schizophrenic.
What are you talking about?
You're schizo, bro.
Look, I'm gonna drop down and look. I'm gonna land on it.
Bro, you're schizo, bro. There's no...
Wait, it just disappeared.
Exactly. Bro, you're
Right,
schizophrenic, dude. What's happening?
Bro, am I recording?
Yo, those MREs
Yo,
did something
dude.
to you, bro.
Yo. No, I'm not a schizophrenic, buddy. Oh, once we're done with this video, I'm gonna show you the recording.
Bro, those MREs are doing something to you, bro.
Oh, come over here.
What?
The angler is here.
Are you schizo again?
No, come to me. Come
Okay,
to
hold on. Let me turn off my light.
Look, remember this area? Over here. Over here. Look.
No, I don't really.
Spider.
Oh, no. Okay, I hear that one.
I'm not a schizophrenic.
I hear this one.
See?
Yeah, I see that one, but you're doing schizophrenic with that other one.
How did he get out? Here, I'll get spider. You can get the other. How did he hit me up from over here?
Got superpowers. Oh, what's that?
Oh, no, I see.
We're attacking him. Nice.
Yeah,
Got him. Well, you must.
Press your butt cheeks.
Oh, snap.
James, I can't fight anymore.
Why?
I'm at like 1 millibar.
Where's he?
Below you.
Oh, I see him.
I believe in you.
Oh, gosh. I'm attacking him.
Gotta try to help. Let's go. Wait, what?
What?
You guys. Follow me.
Where is he again? Oh. I don't know if we should go in here. We should go another way, because, you know, we shouldn't go in here. Let's go somewhere else.
No, let's go get some cinder blocks. They get like 7,000 gold.
Yeah, I guess so. It's just gonna take so long to get down here.
No, it's not. It only takes like 2 minutes.
Bro. That's pretty long.
It's better than 7 minutes. You see that? Now we're gonna land straight on this.
Watching. Hold on, let me get my stuff out. Follow me, bro. They're somewhere on these obsidian.
Yeah, I know.
Veins of obsidian.
Watch out, bro. I'm just gonna...
Oh no. What?
The eyes!
Hide. Hide somewhere. Hide. Oh gosh. Watch.
Gosh dang it.
Hide. Run.
They're everywhere!
Okay, not back here though. Oh
What are you saying?
no. Not back here though. Oh no. Okay. Over there though. You don't want to go. See what I mean? There's more eyeballs over there. Okay, not really. Oh no, that's not good. I don't know what that means. Yo, what? Oh snap, I need to get out here then.
Can you try to grab my stuff?
I don't know where your stuff is, bro.
Down there by the lava. If you can try to get it and go in the thing, that would be great.
I'll try. Alright, let's see. Let's get up here. We gotta find the stuff though. Where's the stuff? The dino is here. That's important. Oh no. Wait, Reed, was it in the lava? Oh, I see it. Okay. Ow! Oh my gosh. Lava's rising. Alright, I got your flashlight. Ow! Ah! Oh gosh, I'm really low. Okay. I'm literally at half, like, 1 hit left and I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh, your bag is so heavy, bro. Hold on. Let me put this one. Oh no. There's nothing in. I'm trying. I got your bag. I left my bag behind, but I didn't have anything. And my crowbar. So I'm heading back.
With my bag. Wait, where's your bag?
I left mine. It didn't even have anything in it anyways.
Thank you.
There's your stuff. Okay, yeah, there's stuff. I don't know if this is, I think I left your grappler. Unless maybe it's in your bag.
No, it's good. I have a bunch. I just restocked on 21 grapplers today.
Nice. I don't want this video to get too long, so I think I'm gonna end it here. I'll make 2 parts. I'll start filming the next part. But for now, this is gonna be the end of this video, and I'll start filming again.
For this part.
Because I can't make a video more than 30 minutes, or else it won't work. So, see you guys. Stay random and stuff, I guess. Bye.